Okay, this last thing we're going to do is kind of fun, all right? Because what we're going to do is we're going to put in a pie chart that shows the percentage of time that a cell spends, or the cells that we were looked at spend in each phase of mitosis. Now, this whole process goes a lot easier if you select the cells that you're going to want to put in the graph, all right? So that's the first thing you want to do. So I'm going to click up. This D column is the number of cells that are in an interphase, and it's 61%. I'm going to drag all the way over. So it's just basically these 10 cells. Okay, where it says number of cells in interphase, number of cells in prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. So I got those cells selected. Now I'm going to go up to the little pie graph up here. Now the nice part is this icon for in OpenOffice Calc is very similar to the one that you'll see in Excel. I'm going to click on that, and it shows you an example of what a graph looks like, and then a wizard pops up. Now we want to use. Now we're going to put in a pie graph. Now if you really want to, you can put in some sort of funky looking 3D pie graph if you want. You don't need to do that. It doesn't really add much as far as I'm concerned. All right, but let's just for the heck of it put in like a realistic looking pie graph, and then I'm going to click on next. And select the data series. Now this is where it makes it easy. I already selected the data series, and then I go next, and it says what's the range series, and I think that's pretty good. And what I want to do now is I'm going to click on next, and then I'm just going to give it a title. I'm going to go time phases of mitosis. Why don't we put phases of mitosis? And we'll put it percent as a subtitle, percent spent in each phase. All right. It's percent time, I should say, spent in each phase. And we'll put if you take a look, it's showing you what you're doing right here. And I think that looks pretty good, and I'm just going to say finish, and then boom. All right, it just moves over, and there you go. And so now I got my little pie chart. The blue represents the amount of time spent in interphase, orange prophase, yellow metaphase, green anaphase, and red telophase. And that's actually kind of a cool looking little chart there. All right, and I can do that for the plant and animal cells, and also for just the plant cells. All right, so once you've got this done, you can upload it, and I think it does really demonstrate how consistent it is that you guys actually worked. When you worked, you actually got some very consistent numbers. There were no like real crazy outliers. All right, so I'm actually pretty happy with what I see here.